Hi guys, it's becoming more of a thing that we are uploading a lot of videos after 3 4 days. We are actually getting occupied with a lot of other things like creating the content for a larger section of audience. So that's why it's getting taking our own time. In terms, it is because when we create a content as we are proceeding to a lot of the topics, so we want to give you the quality content and all. So welcome to all. So today we're going to discuss, I think, the current affairs. I thought of doing some other topics, but as we are more into the competitive things, so I thought of doing current affairs today, and in the coming days we'll do other topics as well. So when it comes to today, May 9th, it's a birth anniversary of Mr. the King Maharana Pratap Singh. Maharana Pratap Singh, he was his name he's popularized he was popularized with the name Maharana Pratap. He's the son of Uday Singh too, who's the founder of city Udaipur. You guys know that, right? That Udaipur. So Udaipur, the name came by the Uday Singh and all. So Pratap Singh is the son of Uday Singh too. So he was born in the year 1540, and he was the king of Mewar, the region which is present today. He was mostly popularized for the Battle of Haldigati. So the battle was fought in 18th June 1576. It was fought between the Akbar and Maharana Pratap, which is led by Mansingh I of Amber. So, but the thing is that even though that Akbar won the war, they couldn't able to capture King Pratap Singh. So later he was recaptured Udaipur, Golconda and Kumbhalgarh when Akbar was concentrating on northern western front. So this is one of the things about Pratap Singh. The next thing is that NCF reusable mask, which has been invented or created by IIT, that is startup NanoSafe Solutions. So this is I think this is one of the progressive development of progressive invention which is done by our IIT Delhi startup. So this is a washable face mask. That too you can wash it for up to 50 laundries. So that gives a lot. I think the duration and all. Then it is the first fabric used by antimicrobial face mask. So this is it is in accordance with the ASTM standards also. It is engineered to have very good breathability and comfort, and this more and more these kinds of masks will be in the market. I think the poor I would say that poor section of India, I think they'll be able to afford, and they could able to do a lot of things. Sorry for the intervening Windows message. So the next thing is that SBI reduces benchmark lending to 15 basis points. So this has been quite a news that SBI have reduced their basis points. As this is a basis point, it has been made to means they're catering to the senior citizens of India, and they've brought this introduced new product called SBI VK deposit. So under the new product, an additional 30 BPS basis points premium will be payable to senior citizens retail term deposits with 5 years and above tenure only. The scheme will be open till 30th September 2020. The retail term deposits are also reduced, and a lot of things. It will be effective from 12th May. So this is one of the this can be asked in a tricky. This can be asked in a tricky manner also, which is the SBI's product, which has been 15 point basis point have been reduced and all. The next thing is that Ministry of Defence signs a MO contract with Tata SED for modernization of airfield infrastructure, that is called MAFI, and because of this initiative, there'll be a lot of jobs, and there'll be a lot of contracts, and there'll be a lot of good things will happen to the MSME sector, because as you can see, if MOD, Minister of Defence, if they have signed a contract with Tata Power, and the Tata Power's alliance, or the umbrella companies and the tie-up companies and contractors will have a job, means they'll have a contract for sub work or substatement, those sub work they'll have. This is a contract which is involving around 1,200 crores, and this is to do with the modernization for airfield infrastructure. Nearly 37 airfields for the Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, and Indian Coast Guard. So amid situation of the COVID-19, I think uh, Minister of Defense has taken a good mode, because these things also should proceed, right? MSM defense sector is so huge that a lot of companies are dependent on that segment also. That in that perspective also we need to see. So the second thing is that this is to modernize and improve the standard of MAFI, that is modern vehicle infrastructure. So this will take to second phase 2, and CAT 2 instrument landing system, CAT 2 airfield lighting system. There are certain equipments and systems they'll be building it out. So this is to, as I told you, that nearly 250 my MSME sector companies will get boosted, because if Tata gets any company for that matter, not even for Tata, there's lots and lots of defense companies are there. So to nearly the one who gets it contract, they'll again call for contracts, and eventually the companies who are dependent on the sub work or the subcontracts, they'll again they'll be able to do a lot of things with it. So this might raise a lot of revenue for these MSM sector companies, and even for the employees working over there. So this is to mainly the contract infuses much needed capital in the market and boost employment generation. As I was saying, it is to do with the employment and the boost in revenue. So it is to do with the communications, avionics, and information technology. So I would say that this is for today, and we will see the next class. Okay, we'll be able to complete. Means I wanted to give a good. I would say that we want to give quality content, and kindly subscribe, and means kindly get in touch. Thanks.